Bucher Municipal empowers societies to improve the quality of life with sustainable and better technologies, solutions and services for a cleaner and a safer tomorrow. Our legacy environment was based on the traditional SD-WAN infrastructure. The modern work needs more flexibility. People are traveling, they are on the road, and they always need to have secure and fast access to the applications we have. What we are working on together with Zscaler is to increase really three pillars. One is to increase the security of the infrastructure and our systems. The second pillar is to increase the visibility, so we actually know what we have in the company and we can secure it. The third pillar is really the user experience, to make these systems more flexible independently from their location. With Zscaler, we reduce the amount of firewalls. Also for the VPN, we've done a drastic reduction. So we were able to reduce like 95% of the VPN tunnels we had. We also removed the VPN from the user connectivity. In the project, we started to roll out ZIA for a smaller group. Once we had the right policies, we rolled it out for all of the users. We started to look for ZPA and how we can actually move towards with the branch connectors to deploy it on the sites and how we can start to replace the SD-WAN. We are looking to improve the user experience and the performance of the systems. Part of this is to move towards and implement ZDX. Once we are in a good track with that, we are looking to move towards with deception, and also we are considering to use air gap to have microsegmentation. One big advantage of moving towards to the Zero Trust branches compared to SD-WAN is really that we can stop the lateral movement in the infrastructure. They have to be verified and we can stop these attacks. Moving towards the cloud is really important for us, how we can secure this. With the ZT4 workloads, we can have a secure connection to our cloud applications. And it was a really good experience to deploy the cloud connector in our infrastructure. What we were looking for that time is how we can have a solution that we only need one gateway in the cloud and how we can do this. There is a solution which will introduce both the east and west traffic monitoring and makes it possible to have one solution to manage our cloud with Zscaler. Zscaler helps us to make sure that the users only have access for the applications they have to have access. And with the client connector, it doesn't matter where they are, they always only have necessary access what they need. Zero Trust for me, it's not only just technology, it's more like changing the mindset. What was really amazing is how our team were able to adopt, how fast they were able to look for this mindset. We had a really strict deadline to move from SD-WAN to Zero Trust branches and Zero Trust connectivity. We were able to roll it out for more than 15 sites. We can be really proud of what we achieved. The Zero Trust is not just a buzzword. With Zscaler, we can actually move towards it and we can achieve it.